How to remove followers on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear. Click on the option of profile. Now on this page, you're gonna find the list of your following as well as followers. Click on the option of followers. With that, you're gonna find the list of the followers. Now I can head over to any of the followers that you want to remove. You have to head towards the profile of that person. Once you're in the profile of that person, first up, unfollow that person by clicking on the option of following. Click on unfollow. Once you have unfollowed that person, now how can you remove that follower from your X account? For that, click on three dots given at the top right corner. Click on the option block. Click on block. Now click on undo. Once you block and unblock the person will be removed from your follower list on your X account. So this way you can easily remove followers on X account. Right now this is the only trick. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.